welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have my braces on right now. I've been on last week, that's why I didn't post, and if I sound weird, don't blame it on me. Anyways, this week's video is me making my traveling journal because next week I am going to be traveling, and it's like the traveling season since it's almost the summer, so I decided why not make a traveling journal. So without further ado, let's get into the video. To start off, you'll need a lightweight notebook that you don't really use. You can decorate the cover however you want, but here I'm just making a collage because I feel like it. If you are making a collage, then feel free to play around with the pictures. You can even cut the pictures into smaller pieces like I am doing. Now carefully take the pictures and glue them down if you're making a collage. And don't forget to label your notebook. I just took a sticky note and cut it into a square, then taped it. In a lot of traveling journal videos, there is a washi tape section, so I was like, why not make one of my own? Basically, you'll need a piece of durable paper and tape the washi tape on there. Here I took a ruler and pressed it down so I have a guideline that I can fold on. And after you fold it on, you'll need to glue it down onto a notebook or tape it. Here I'm making some stickers. Well, I don't know what to call them. Basically, you apply the glue to the back of the paper, let it dry, and when you need it, just apply some water. I think most of you guys know how this works, but I just want to add in this tip here because I thought it'll work pretty well with a traveling journal. After the stickers have dried, I just put it into an envelope that I glued on before. And here's an example of utilizing the washi tape section. This is really optional, but I just taped on some of those post-it notes. Bookmark. I meant bookmark post-it notes. I believe some storage place is essential for traveling. Let's say you have a ticket, but you can't really glue it at that time. You just shove it in one of those I am useful storage places. Okay, basically I just glued on a leftover paper from making the pencil holder and an envelope.
Just make it right and keep me warm. Will you love me tomorrow? And don't say goodbye, don't leave me alone.
To make a pencil holder, I literally just cut a paper at the pencil size and wrapped it around and taped the bottom so the pencil doesn't just slide out. Before taping/gluing it down, I cut it into half because I'll explain later on. Here I'm just gluing and taping the first section down, and later you'll need to glue the second section a little bit above the first section. In case the pencil gets shorter, you can use the section in between to push it up and push it back down. Here for the bookmark DIY, I just thought it would be a fun thing to do. Basically, you'll need a cardstock and cut it to the size you want the bookmark to be. Oh, and if you're making the one I'm making right now, you'll need to measure out how long you want each side to be and fold it in half. This is your bookmark, so just decorate it however you like. If you want the bookmark to be waterproof, then just take a tape that's large enough and slowly pat it down like I'm doing. now just cut the edges out. Here I'm just outlining the approximate size of the bookmark onto the magnet and cutting it out. Cut the magnet in half. Then just trim it so that when the bookmark closes, it doesn't bother each other. Then you'll just need to glue the magnet onto the cardstock, the bookmark, however you can.
Don't break me down.
Anyways, here you can enjoy me just decorating my traveling journal, and you can decorate it however you like.
Yeah, to find a way to your heart, to your heart. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm lonely. Maybe I hate you, baby. Maybe I love you. I tell you all my secrets, my faults are killing me. You're playing on my weakness, my faults are pretending. My love is like the ocean, my love is like a dream. I'll give you my devotion, so baby just stick to me.
Since I don't know what I'm going to be doing in this notebook, I'm just going to write down the things I'm gonna do on the plane.
Never try so hard, yeah, to find a way to your heart, to your heart. Maybe I'm crazy, maybe I'm lonely. Maybe I hate you, baby. Maybe I love you, love you.
That's it guys for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the button down below if you want to watch my future videos. Bye! Oh yeah, don't forget to have fun if you're traveling.